Hey everyone, it's Anna here. So, have you ever wanted to build your own shed but felt overwhelmed by the process? Maybe you don't have any woodworking experience or you're worried about getting stuck halfway through. Well, I do have something that's going to change that completely. My shed plans. See, my dad is terrible with building. He just can't do with difficult plans and often gets overwhelmed and lost. But then he tried my shed plans, and now he is building all sorts of beautiful sheds for all the entire family. With my shed plans, you can build any shed in a weekend, even if you've never picked up a hammer before. This program gives you access to over 12,000 detailed shed plans with step-by-step instructions, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Every plan is designed to guide you from start to finish, so you never have to guess what to do next. If you have ever struggled with confusing blueprints or incomplete instructions like my dad, this is exactly what you need. What makes my shed plans so great is that it's more than just a set of blueprints. Each plan comes with a complete materials list, so you'll know exactly what to buy before you even start. That means no more last-minute trips to the hardware store because you forgot something important and stalling your plans. Plus, the instructions are illustrated with color photos, so you can see exactly how everything should look at each stage. No second guessing, just clear, easy to follow guidance. Now, if you're thinking this sounds too good to be true, I totally get it, but here's the best part. The official website, which is linked in the description down below, actually offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can check out the plans, try them for yourself, and if you're not completely satisfied, you can get your money back. No risk, just the opportunity to finally build the shed you have been wanting all along. Whether you need extra storage, a backyard workplace, or just want to take on a fun DIY project, my shed plans make it easy. You don't need any special skills, expensive tools, or years of experience, just a plan, some materials, and a free weekend. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description down below and see what my shed plans can do for you. Thank you guys for watching and happy building.